Miss McKinney,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're back.
Yes.
I hope we are in better spirits.
I am.
Okay, good. And we're not going to allow each other to press each other's buttons, right?
Correct.
We'll
Okay,
see what she
ready.
does.
Okay, so we took the DNA testing, had all that done. Did you all have any problems with that?
No, none at all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, have the two of you had an opportunity to speak at all?
We've
No,
spoken.
wait. No.
Lies.
All right. Okay. We spoke for 30 seconds. That doesn't count. I didn't want to talk to you. You came up to me. I tried to end the conversation as quick as possible.
Miss McKinney walks in, all eyes locked, tension crackling. The judge speaks calm voices please, but the past refuses to stay buried. 30 seconds of talk turns hostile. Quick, sharp, bitter, the DNA results still sealed. Neither side willing to blink. Then she speaks, Your Honor, permission. Granted, she fires off a claim, one that leaves...
Your Honor. Permission to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
That is not true. He called me and he asked me, he said, look, I don't know which way this paternity test is going to go, but if you'll just let me put it on you one more time, we can smooth all of this out, blah, 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 all of that crap.
Oh, so that's a lot in 30 seconds.
Really?
No. That's not what I said, but
When he lies, he puts his hand up like that on his cheek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a lie pose.
And you
Exhausting.
found all that out in 72 hours?
I did.
Interesting. Okay. So,
you see how aggressive she is about this? This
I'm
is
just excited.
she doesn't need help for her daughter. This is
Come on
about
with the
revenge.
results,
This is
please.
clearly about getting back at me and punishing me for not.
To 9 years, no words, no calls, just silence. Then out of nowhere she files the case right as he gets engaged, right as he welcomes a new child. Coincidence or a move made with precision? She swears it's not personal, says it's for their daughter, says it's about what's right, but he sees through it, questions the timing, the motives.
but it's been 9 years.
I know it's been, it's odd timing, isn't it? Right when I have a fiance and have a son, that's when she chooses to do this. Isn't that kind of odd timing here, Your Honor?
I mean, the timing does seem a little interesting.
I just came to the realization that, hey, I can do it alone, but I don't have to do it alone. If he's taking care of his other son and his fiance, that's fine. I don't need him to take care of me or my daughter, but it would be the right thing to do. And that's what he's going to do.
And
If he's the father.
He's the father.
Okay. And you're sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, bailiff, we have those results.
To 9 years, no words, no calls, just silence. Then out of nowhere she files the case right as he gets engaged, right as he welcomes a new child. Coincidence or a move made with precision? She swears it's not personal, says it's for their daughter, says it's about what's right, but he sees through it, questions the timing, the motives.
Got your cashier's check? Because I don't want a
That's
personal
not
check.
nice.
Well, I'm just saying.
You can't say that to him yet, though.
Okay.
We don't know if he's even going to be the father to pay child support.
I know.
But if you are indeed the father, I wouldn't recommend you make a payment today because the order would just be being signed today.
Is there an appeal process even if I am the father?
What would you be appealing exactly?
I don't think that based on the way she's been treating me and based on her selective choice of when to bring this issue up in order to, harm my relationship with my family.
He walks in cool, calm, holding a cashier's check, ready to pay, ready to settle, ready to do what he thinks is right, but the judge cuts him off hard and fast. No paternity, no payment, no exceptions. The room shifts, tension. Rising, he turns. The moment around, points the finger, says this is harassment, says.
I consider that a form of harassment, and I feel like I should be able to file maybe a restraining order, and that would prevent me from, if I had a restraining order against her, that would prevent me obviously from having to pay for her child support, wouldn't it?
What is that restraint?
No, that's not how any of that works. That was really creative, though, but that's not how any of that works. So let me go ahead and tell you what the results say.
All right.
Get it over with.
All
Drum
right.
roll.
All right. It looks like baby McKinney, because we can't say a child's name.
Right.
There is no...
He looks straight ahead, voice steady, eyes cold. He proposes a restraining order to block her to dodge the system to escape child support. Jaws drop. The judge freezes. Disbelief thick in the air. Then the truth hits the DNA test. Results land like thunder. He is not the father. Silence swallows the room. Hearts pounding, eyes locked. No one moves.
What did he say? What?
You hear that?
What'd you say, Your Honor?
You laughed at that.
Remember?
No, I didn't hear.
Oh, let me say it a
I'm
little
the only
louder.
white person she's been with. Remember?
There is no probability that he is the father.
Okay, so first of all, no disrespect to you, but the letter looks a little sketchy.
Okay.
It wasn't in a
It's got
legal
writing on
size
it.
envelope.
That's why it's sketchy.
So, and I don't trust him because his uncle is an attorney. Okay, and his
Okay.
uncle can do
What
all
does
the
that have to
types
do with
of
anything?
stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't even trust that.
Wait a minute. I believe at the beginning, I asked you all how the test went.
I mean,
And you
She stares at the paper, eyes burning, lips tight. She says the results look off, says something feels wrong, then drops. Abam accuses his uncle, a lawyer, of tampering with the test. Her proof, a tattoo, a private one. She says something only he would know. The courtroom shifts.
And he did.
and it did,
said.
and it was fair that day, right?
Yes.
They swabbed her mouth
The
correctly.
person appeared to be wearing PPE and the person appeared to work, for that service. And the test itself went well, but behind the scenes, Your Honor.
And it
A lot
appears
goes
that
on.
these results are directly from the testing place. And he's not the father.
He is the father. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Your
Let me tell you not. No, he's not.
He's the father.
He's not. So you're going to you're going to argue with DNA tests.
The test was clear, done by professionals, both agreed to it, both signed off, but she won't back down, refuses to believe the results, says he's the father no matter what the paper says. Her voice rises, emotion flooding every word. The judge calls for order, but tension cracks through the room. Control. Slipping fast, chaos.
Your Honor, he is the father. 72 hours. He has a tattoo on his private parts. He was the only
is
one
not
there. I
the
know how-
father. He is not the father.
Show
How
me a
many
tattoo.
times do I have to say that? No, I don't want to see a tattoo. All I want to see was these numbers to see what the probability was going to look like of him being the father. He is not the father. Now,
That was
you,
way too much, by the way.
You have a tattoo.
excuse me, you know what? I don't even see why you all need to be having a conversation right now.
I agree.
Can we
you
do a
are not the
retest?
father, which means that you will not be placed on any type of child support or any.
Shouts louder. He shakes his head, says it's not true. She keeps pushing, repeats. The claim like a broken record. The judge steps in, points to the DNA again, tells her it's done, but she refuses to hear it. Then it spirals, turns from paternity to tattoos. She starts describing ink in places that leave the courtroom in shock. Voices clash, tempers ignite the room.
Today. Now, you, Miss McKinney, you do have the right to petition someone else who you may think is the father.
There is no one else, Your Honor. It was him. He has a tattoo on his private part. I was with him and the tattoo for 72 hours. I know what I felt. I know what I saw. Okay, it was him.
Well, there is a probability of something else, though.
Okay.
You were probably with somebody else too within that previous 72 hours.
Oh, Your Honor, you tried it.
There's no shade. Just
She swears there was no one else, insists. She knows that tattoo says it's in a place only she could have seen. The courtroom holds its breath. The judge stares, doubtful, unconvinced. Is it truth or desperation? She leans on memory, like it's proof, but questions linger, doubt grows. Then a new detail drops.
That's very possible. That's
So,
very likely.
How is it possible?
Because there were like 6 or 7, 8 hours stretches during that time where I didn't see you or know where you were. I don't know what you were doing. You know what? Maybe I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you don't even remember this other guy. It's possible with the rate you were going in those days. So I'm willing to grant you that you may not have been lying.
man.
You may
Okay.
not have been lying about thinking that I was the only white guy you were with.
Well, just answer my question. Do you have a tattoo on your private part?
I have a birthmark that kind of looks like a bird. Maybe
No, it
that's what you
says
thought.
Mississippi Long. Do you have that tattoo?
okay.
No.
Well, you know what? This is what we're
Never
about
been
to
to
do.
Mississippi.
This is what we're about to
He flips the script, says she vanished for days at a time, hints. There might have been another man. She pushes back, brings up the tattoo again. He fires back, says, it was just a birthmark the judge has. Heard enough, the courtroom tightens, silence thick in the air. The truth has unraveled. No more speculation, no more shouting, no more doubt.
At this rate, we're not getting anywhere. I've already said what the results were, which means I'm dismissing this case. You are more than welcome to bring another case. And if his account is true that you don't remember, you can bring another case after that. But the court is here to assist you. So if there are no more questions and nothing further, which it shouldn't be, you all are dismissed.
Hell no, it shouldn't be.
Whatever. You got a tattoo.
The gavel drops. The case is closed and the judge ends it. DNA says he is not the father. Case dismissed. But the damage is done. The silence is loud. The pain is real. She can try again in another court. Another day, but today it's over. The drama, the yelling, the disbelief. It all crashes to a stop. If this stunned you, hit like, drop a comment, tap subscribe. This is Verdict Central, and the truth always comes out.